Hello, food lovers. Welcome to Melodies of Flavors. Today, we're making Tahchin Morgh, a delicious saffron chicken rice cake. Check the description below for the full list of ingredients and instructions. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the saffron. Crush some saffron with a mortar and pestle, pour it over a few pieces of ice, and set it aside to let the saffron release its full color and aroma. Now, let's cook the rice. Add salt to boiling water, then add the washed rice. Cook it until it's halfway done, which usually takes about 7 minutes, depending on your rice type. To check, press a grain of rice between your fingers. It should feel rough on the outside, but still raw in the middle. Drain the rice and let it cool. While the rice is cooling, heat some oil in a pan and add a chopped onion. Sauté the onion until it's golden, then add the chopped chicken pieces. Cook the chicken, and once it's done, add some saffron and salt to taste. In a separate pan, sauté the barberries with a little sugar. Be careful not to burn them, as barberries cook very quickly. Now, mix the yogurt, 1 egg, and the remaining saffron in a bowl. Add the cooled rice to this mixture and stir it well. Let's assemble the tahchin. Grease a non-stick pot with some oil, spread half of the rice mixture on the bottom, and press it down evenly. Add the cooked chicken on top, leaving about 1 to 2 centimeters of space from the pot's edge. Then, spread the sautéed barberries over the chicken, cover with the remaining rice, and press it down gently. Cover the pot and place it on high heat until it starts steaming. Then, reduce the heat and cook it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until the tahchin is golden and crispy. Once it's done, let the tahchin cool slightly before flipping it onto a serving dish. Garnish with more barberries if you like, and enjoy your delicious Tahchin Morgh. Thank you for watching Melodies of Flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post more delicious recipes like this one. Let me know in the comments how your tahchin turned out, and if you tried any variations. See you next time.